there, survival skills, Dave. What you doing?
Oh, hey, Sacha. I'm making a s'more.
Some more what?
No, it's a s'more. It's a delicious treat of graham crackers, chocolate, and roasted marshmallows.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. Can I make one?
Of course.
Oh, thanks.
Remember last week how David helped King Saul defeat Goliath?
Goliath fell to the ground.
Good job, buddy. Well, King Saul had a son named Jonathan, who became best friends with David.
Oh yeah, best friends.
They were best friends and were always together, like marshmallows and graham crackers. Well, during this time, David was great at everything he did.
Woohoo, woo, woo.
This made King Saul so jealous, he wanted to harm David. But Jonathan was a real friend and warned David he could get to safety.
David, go hide somewhere safe. Dad, you can't hurt David. He's our friend.
David was safe for a little while. Time went by and David continued to be great at everything he did.
Yeah, woohoo.
Even in battle. People made
yeah.
songs about how David was so much better than King Saul.
Go David, go David. Not Saul, not Saul. Go David, go David.
Well, this definitely didn't sit well with King Saul. And one day, when David was hanging out at the palace playing music, Saul couldn't take it anymore, and his anger took over. He threw a giant spear at David, and David ran away. Jonathan tried to talk to his dad again, but he could not convince the king out of his jealousy.
David, you're gonna have to run away and stay safe.
This is so sad, but let's promise to always be best friends no matter what. Best friends.
Even though Jonathan and David were separated, they honored God with their friendship. Are you okay, Sacha?
I'm okay, but my s'more is ruined.
Oh, it is a bit burnt.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry. You want to make another one?
No, I don't want to. I'm kind of scared.
Oh, no, don't be scared. I can help you.
Oh, you would really do that?
Yeah, that's what friends are for.
Wow.
Just like in our Bible story, David had a good friend in Jonathan who helped him. That's what we can do to earn our friendship badge.
Ooh.
Yeah, we can help each other and be good friends.
Wow. Thanks for being my friend, Mr. Survival Skills, Dave.
Yeah, here, let's make another beautiful s'more.
That sounds good to me.